Dedicated athletes like you are going to love the Forerunner 945, the premium GPS running and triathlon watch that is designed to help you go the distance. In this video, we will show you how to set up and start using your Forerunner 945. First, let's take a look at the device. On the top left, you'll see the light key, which you'll use to control the backlight and also access the controls menu. Hold the light key to access the controls menu. Here, you can lock the device, access the Garmin Pay wallet, trigger assistance, and more. Below that are the up and down keys. These help you navigate the different menus, data screens, and widgets. Holding the down key will allow you to quickly access the onboard music player. On the top right is the start-stop key, which in addition to starting, pausing, and stopping timed activities, will allow you to make menu selections. Finally, on the bottom right is the back key. Pressing it will return you to the previous screen, or during timed activities, press it to mark a lap. When you turn on your device for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your language preference. Then it will ask you if you want to pair it with your smartphone. If you select yes, you can pair it and complete the setup through the Garmin Connect app. Pairing with the app will sync all of your user profile settings as well as Physio TrueUp preference to 945 and is the quickest way to set up your new device. If you select no, you can complete the setup on the watch and pair with your phone later. If you choose to continue setting your watch without your smartphone, you'll now enter your preferred unit of measurement and time format. Finally, you'll answer a few questions about yourself, such as birth year, height, and weight before setup is complete. After completing the setup in the Garmin Connect app, the 945 can use a virtual wallet to make contactless payments, allowing you to leave your cards and cash at home. You can access this wallet from the controls menu. When you start on the watch's time of day screen, you can access all of the features built into the Forerunner 945. For example, press the up or down key to cycle through preloaded widgets including performance, training status, health stat, and more. Remember, you can customize the widget loop by accessing the settings menu. More on that in a minute. You can also hold the up key to access the menu from any screen. Here, you can customize your watch face, access alarms, and other settings. By scrolling down to settings, you can customize the activities and apps list, the widget loop, and other preferences. Press the start key to bring you to the run home screen. Press the down key to see some of the other activities that 945 supports. Or press and hold the up key to access the menu. In the menu, you can update your preferences for the current activity, such as changing data screens or setting up an alert. To start an outdoor run, just press start to enter the activity profile loop. Your watch will vibrate to let you know when GPS is ready. This normally takes just a few moments. Press start one more time to begin your activity. During the activity, you can scroll up or down through the data screen to view important stats like distance, time, pace, as well as your heart rate. When you've finished your activity, press stop. From here, you can either restart the timer and continue running, or scroll down to save your activity and view your activity summary data, such as aerobic and anaerobic training effect scores, suggested recovery time, and more. The Forerunner 945 also offers the ability to store and play music when paired with compatible Bluetooth headphones. You can sync music from your computer using Garmin Express or download music from third-party services using a Connect IQ music app. After you load music to Forerunner 945, hold the down key to access the music player. Press the start key to play your music. Press up to access more music controls such as volume, shuffle, and repeat. Hold up to access the music player menu and manage music providers or headphones. For more information on using your Forerunner 945, visit support.garmin.com.